Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience. In this video, we're taking a look at Zions Bank, accessible online at zionsbank.com. Let's explore what they offer and see if it might be the right financial institution for your needs. Navigating to the website, you'll immediately find a clean and organized interface. It's generally easy to find information about personal banking, business banking, and wealth management services. They appear to cater to a wide range of clients, from individuals to large corporations. It's important to do your own thorough research before choosing a bank. Factors to consider include available account types, associated fees, interest rates, online and mobile banking features, customer service accessibility, and branch locations if in-person banking is important to you. While this overview provides a glimpse at Zions Bank, it shouldn't replace your independent investigation. Looking at their site, you can find details about checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, and various loan options. Zions Bank also seems to provide services like online bill pay, mobile check deposit, and fraud protection. It's advisable to delve deeper into the specifics of each service to ensure it aligns with your requirements. Further exploration of the website may reveal resources for financial planning and investment management. These tools could be valuable for those seeking long-term financial strategies. Always remember to compare the services and fees offered by Zions Bank with those of other financial institutions before making a decision. Choosing the right bank can significantly impact your financial well-being, so taking the time to carefully consider your options is a crucial step. Don't hesitate to visit the Zions Bank website directly and explore their offerings in detail. Remember to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions associated with each product or service.